And what a beautiful day. I'm the king of all time, and nothing is impossible in my all-powerful mind. I was drinking in my nightclub. It felt good to be back. When Hepburn said I love you, and Flynn said make mine a double jack. Was then we planned a revolution to make things better for all time. Oh, and Guevara said that's crazy and ordered up a bottle of wine. What a beautiful day.